2019 Super Air Nautique G21. This G21 is colored in a tungsten hull, steel blue metallic forward stripe, steel blue metallic accent stripe with a mystic white main stripe, tower, and interior deck. We've optioned it with the mystic white Chromax on the side, and then we can come around the transom, we'll see it on the vents. Standard docking lights mixed in with the nav lights, pretty cool looking. This boat comes on a 2019 Boatmate trailer with bow ladder, spare tire, disc brakes, LED lights, titanium traction, transom steps with transom tie downs. It's really nicely optioned, tows really well. See that we have the mystic white platform. My camera skills are super shaky. Geez, sorry. All right, so let's step up on the transom of the boat. Transom cooler, white Chromax. We come around to the tungsten themed interior with white stitching, tungsten texture, steel blue piping and seat boxing, along with gunmetal main stripe. So kind of a monochromatic interior, but just two different textures. It's really sharp looking, really sharp looking. It's one of my favorite interiors that we've came through. Nice C-deck traction along the top of the deck. Makes it easy getting in and out of the G21. Standard vertical clamping racks. Optioned it with the JL 8800 tower speakers. Nautique awareness cam. The flight control tower is power and will fold down. The bimini top kind of folds down in front and will be down inside the boat for the tower down cover. So essentially you put the tower down, put the bimini down below the windshield, put the cover over the entire thing. The center step here is nice. So there really should not be any reason, there should not be a reason to step on interior seats because there's nice steps everywhere. This G21 features the PCM 6-liter ZR4 409 horsepower, 411 foot-pounds of torque. Mated to the 2-to-1 gear reduction transmission, and the 1717 prop is absolutely pulling monster. Does extremely well. 2,850 pounds of standard ballast, Nautique surf system, surf pipe. All those things are standard with the Nautique G21. Cooler, communicating storage, all the way to the back. You can put surfers all down one side. I think that 10 surfers or something can fit in there. 6 wakeboards can fit back there. Boat comes with an onboard charger, so you can just plug the boat in and it charges. Flip up passenger port seat. Let me get that block of life jackets out of there because that's really big storage. Huge. Trash can door, 10-inch JL subwoofer. Has the slide-in air dam there, that's that white piece. Automatically comes with docking lines, safety kit. This boat also comes with the Fender Pros. We've optioned Fender Pros, so we have bumpers that click in around the boat. G21s come with 6. 2 on the bow, 2 midship, and then 2 towards the stern. Let's come around to helm. We have driver's seat heat, passenger side seat heat, regular vent heat, stereo, GoPro, user settings. Really well optioned boat. Really pretty. There is a filler seat that is an option, so that we can get that after the fact. We did not put that on the boat. If you have any questions about this, well, very last thing, leather wrap steering wheel. It's a nice little touch. It's a nice texture on your hand. If you have any questions about this 2019 Super Nautique G21, give us a call at N3 Boatworks, 317-845-9253.